Focal TBM tweeters are the culmination of the latest innovations to the Focal Utopia legacy and are sold in pairs. These new 1-inch beryllium tweeters combines for the first time ever the M-profile dome and the patented rubber tuned mass damper or TMD surround. The aluminum mounting basket is slightly larger and more oval than the previous Utopia TBE tweeter. And included in the package are magnet covers for a truly sealed install if required. With this new combination, listeners can experience extended frequency response and better dispersion, unrivaled in its precision and finesse, offering an incredible soundstage width. The Focal TBM tweeters are sold in pairs. The 3.5 WM is an ultra-compact mid-range speaker driver made possible in design thanks to the exclusive use of the new M-profile W sandwich cone, the TMD surround, progressive spider, and a red neodymium motor, Focal's signature. All of this combines in a 3.5-inch mid-range that will surprise you with its striking realism and reproduces all the impact of the bass whilst keeping the sound linear and precise. The 3.5 WM is sold individually in the new a la carte Utopia M line, making this the perfect option for custom applications and center channels. The 6WM was designed to meet the challenge of creating a 6.5-inch woofer that perfectly combines extreme performance, high-end design, and shallow depth. Focal succeeded by combining the best of their latest technology, the M-profile W sandwich cone, TMD surround, progressive spider, and coupling it with a unique basket design inspired by French architecture. This 6.5-inch driver checks all the boxes essential for creating an ideal speaker driver: rigidity, lightness, and damping. The result is an extremely linear frequency response, a low distortion rate, and better sound dispersion. The 6WM is sold in pairs. The 8WM is an incredibly versatile 8-inch woofer. Thanks to the M-profile W sandwich cone combined with the TMD surround, it is capable of covering an extremely broad frequency range, 5,000 Hz all the way down to 45 Hz. The effortless ability to play this wide range offers sound system designers another option for installation, pairing the 8-inch woofer with the 3.5 WM mids, TBM tweeters, or both. The 8WM is designed with a large 80mm voice coil, very shallow depth, and the unique aluminum basket shared throughout the new Utopia M line. In the a la carte lineup, the 8WM are also sold as singles.